Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a Fortnite character, because you know Fortnite, big thing at the moment. And I just got inspired by it and made the character, which is based on one of like the default skins. Soon I will be having another Fortnite one with a different skin, which isn't a default one, which will be coming up soon. But the pieces you'll need for this one are this blonde hair piece, Lex Luthor or like Superman's face, which is quite common in most sets, the Mandarin's body from the Iron Man 3 set. Change the, well actually no, you don't have to change your arms. Keep the skin tone's arms and put on black hands. You need Sabine Wren's legs. And in here you got the sniper, which is like from Monster Hunters, and it's supposed to be like the semi-auto sniper. And here you got the neck brace with the clip with the pickaxe, because you know you have the pickaxe to get the wooden materials. So I hope you like my custom. Sorry I haven't been making a video for a while. Just been busy in that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you would like to see, and see you next video, guys.